In today's video, I update you on a couple projects. Hello everybody, my name is Patrick and this is Dad Life Project. Today I'm going to give you an update on a few of my projects, mostly the cars, and why I haven't done them for a while and stuff like that. And well, let's get going on this. Let me show you this. We'll start with my Impala. You haven't seen anything done on this for a long time. It's basically just pretty much been sitting here after all the things, after all the projects I did it before and stuff. But let me show you what my plans are with this. Now, as you see, is the car. It's really dusty. You can see it's now it's storage for all the Christmas containers. So, but we'll go ahead. We'll look at it. It's still looking really good. I try to start it every week or so, keep it running good and everything. But I have a couple plans for it, and the plans are my stereo is going out on it, and I planned on fixing it, trying to upgrade it, and maybe not upgrade it, but at least get it working right. The head unit, I don't know if it's the head unit, the amp, or the cables, but I'm going to show you this. I bought this. It's a what is it? It's an MP3 player with USB, and it has Bluetooth. I bought this off of eBay for like $14 because I don't really need great music. I just need some music in there. And I bought this amp off of eBay too for like $30. It's a 4-channel, and the cables I think I bought off eBay like 10 years ago. I planned on doing work and it never happened. So the stereo on here, my amp and everything, it's an Alpine amp. When I bought the car 21 years ago, I put it in there. It's been there 21 years. I don't know if the amp has gone out. The head unit's only like 10 years old, but the speakers are, they're good. They've always worked. Nothing's wrong with them. It keeps cutting out, stuff like that. So I'm gonna try to, figure that out and see if I can get it going. Next project on there is I want to do. I built this distributor, and I put a what did I put in it? Pertronics ignition. Sorry about that. I couldn't remember. In it, and I got the coil and everything like that. So that's one of the things I want to do, is also put that in there. So the big old HEI that I have in there takes up so much room. It's just huge. And let me show you that. And it's right there in the back. It's pretty big. So, but that's, I'm hoping to get that out there and get that Mallory in there. So, next thing is my master cylinder. I got this off of eBay from CPP, and it's a nice, really nice big one, and it's a dual bowl. The one I have on there now is just a regular single bowl. It's been on there for since I've owned the car. It works to the most part, but after I changed my motor, I don't have enough vacuum to run the booster. So I can take that all off, and I'm just going to run it with just the master cylinder. And I also bought a brake kit, or brake line kit, that'll make it to go for a dual bowl instead of single bowl like it is right there. You just see the one line going up to it. So that's a future project. I'm hoping to also get front discs on this. They're pretty reasonable priced, so I want to do that too. So basically that's all I have for this one, for this car right now. So let me go ahead and I'll show you what I have going on with the Dodge. Alright, these are parts for my front suspension on my 61 Dodge Dart. You see, these are the ones I painted up on one of my last videos. Here, I have new shocks for the front. I don't think you really need to probably see those, but yes. I have new shocks for the front on the hardware. I also have, these are bushings for lower control arms. Just that. What else do I have? These are bushings for the upper control arms. And these are ball joints for upper and lower ball joints. Yes. There we go. That. And here's, I don't know which one's which. But they're for upper and lower. Now, I also got more parts also too. So let me show those to you right now. I got brake parts. Here are the shoes for the front, or actually, I don't know which numbers I have here, but for front and back. Shoes, I'm going to keep drums because they're easy and they're easy to work on, and they're a lot cheaper than discs. Here I'm going to rebuild my wheel cylinders. This right here, this is a rear one, and here is for the front. The front, I don't know if you remember, I showed you it has two of them. It has one on top and one on bottom, and this is the rebuild kit for it. Okay. Very easy. I can't find it. Very easy, right there. And this is a kit, or there's a honing tool for a brake cylinder, for the brake cylinder. And I will be showing you guys how to do that. I've done it once before, a long time ago, so hopefully I can still remember how to do it. And all I need now is the actual master cylinder. I'm going to buy a dual bowl one and convert it over because it's just safer. It's just really a lot safer than a single bowl. So with that also, and what else did I get? I also got a brand new impact for some of these stubborn parts. I got a DeWalt, got a great deal for Black Friday at Lowe's, and it's heavy. It's just meaty. So you know every guy's got to do that when they have an impact in their hand. They got to at least hit it twice. But anyways, so with that, let me see. Any other projects I will be doing? Let me see. Let me show you some of my RC cars. I haven't really done anything with them. It's just been really busy here with the kids being home all the time and everything. But I do plan on doing that. What else? I have some over here also that I do plan on doing some upgrades and fixing also whenever I break them. I'm hoping to take out my son and daughter. I got them their own cars, so I'm hoping to be able to do that, and I'll show you some video of that hopefully. Now I want to tell you about a couple videos that I have planned coming up that I'm going to be working on my house. I have one where I'm going to work on my back fence. It's a brick fence and it has cracks in it. I don't know if people hit it before we moved in or anything like that, but I'm going to show you how to seal those up, and hopefully it works. You know, the more water you get in there, the more it wears it down, plants grow, and it just spreads. The cracks spread. You have to seal it up and get it done. So I want to show that to you. Also, there's one that my son's been on me forever, and that is to work on. We have a pinball machine from the 70s that we got from my wife's parents, and it works, but it's really slow. And what I read is that all the electronics just need to be cleaned and everything like that. So I want to go through that, have a couple videos on that because there's a lot of electronics on it. So, and also it's getting close to Christmas, so Santa will be coming by and giving presents to my kids, and I will be showing probably videos on how to put those together and the reviews of those, what my kids think of them. If there's anything you saw around the house or whatever, or I've showed before and I've never done anything with it, please leave a comment down below. Or if you just really want me to finish doing the projects, yeah, I know you were thinking that. Also leave that in the comments too. I'm trying. We're in our lockdown again. It just started yesterday. So things are going to get tough again. But that's all right. I have plenty of parts here. I just need to get a machine shop to do some work on it, and we can keep moving forward. I also want to thank everybody that's subscribed to me. I'm right at 900 subscribers. I've done 42 videos. This will be 43. And I'm trying to make 1,000 before 1,000 subscribers before the end of the year. So please, if you are just watching the videos, please subscribe, like, and share, and also hit the little bell there so you can get notifications when I have a new video. Make sure to tune in every week for a new video. Also follow me on Instagram and Facebook at dadlightprojects, or email me at dadlightprojects@gmail.com. Since you're here, why don't you check out these 2 videos right here, and really, subscribe down below. And remember, any project you do, you are the project manager. Thank you.